Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Outlook calendar events. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to load completely. This ensures that all your data, including your calendar, is properly synced and ready to work with. Now that everything's loaded, look towards the lower left part of your screen. You'll see several navigation tabs displayed vertically. From these options, click on the calendar icon. This will take you directly into your calendar view where all your scheduled events, meetings, and appointments are stored. It's the central hub for managing your time within Outlook. Once your calendar menu opens up, direct your attention to the top of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll want to find and click on the View tab. This tab contains various options for how you can display and organize your calendar information. Under the View tab, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Change View. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional viewing options that will help you manage your events more efficiently. From the list of options that appears, click on List. This is a crucial step because it transforms your calendar from the traditional month or week view into a simple list format. Instead of seeing events spread across dates, everything will now be presented in a straightforward list that shows all your events and holidays in one place. This makes it much easier to select multiple items at once. Now here's where the bulk deletion becomes simple. To select multiple events that you want to delete, start by clicking on the first event you want to remove. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last event in the range you want to delete. This will highlight all the events between those 2 points. If you want to select specific events that aren't next to each other, you can hold down the Control key and click on each individual event. Alternatively, if you want to delete absolutely everything from your calendar, you can select all events at once by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will instantly highlight every single event listed in your calendar view, making it perfect for when you need to clear out your entire calendar and start fresh. Once you've selected all the events you want to remove, all that's left to do is press the delete key on your keyboard. As soon as you hit delete, Outlook will remove all the selected calendar events in one go. There's no need to confirm each deletion individually, which saves you an enormous amount of time compared to deleting events one by one. And that's it. You've successfully bulk deleted your Outlook calendar events using the list view method. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.